Hi, this is Christopher Tuyan. Andito tayo ngayon sa lounge ng office namin. Today may gusto lang ako i-share sa iyo na idea galing dun sa movie na title Phenomenon ni John Travolta. Isang araw, birthday niya, tumingin siya sa langit, tapos mayroong sobrang liwanag na light. Tapos tumama sa kanya. Then immediately, he starts being different. He starts being able to see things differently. Iba na yung pananaw niya, iba na yung tingin niya. He starts to be learning, growing, expanding. And excited siya. Exciting yun para sa kanya. Kaya lang, it scares everybody else. Natatakot naman yung mga tao sa paligid niya. Yung mga kaibigan niya, oy, taga muna. Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Tapos, people starts to treat him differently. People start to treat him poorly. It reminds me of entrepreneurship. Sa entrepreneurship, especially sa business model natin ngayon, we see this opportunity. This light shines on us and knocks us off our feet. And all of a sudden, we start thinking differently. Iba na yung wisdom natin, iba na yung galaw natin, yung pananaw natin, iba na. And it really threatens the people around us. Yung mga tao sa paligid natin, family, friends, organizations sa paligid natin, natatakot sila. It threatens the people who haven't been knocked off his feet. It threatens the people who don't see or who don't understand and are still blind sa opportunity. No? Sometimes it's difficult to go against the flow, to go against the traffic, to go against the crowd, no? Kasi we were taught, naturuan tayo to go with the flow. But hey, only dead fishes go with the flow. So it's difficult to go against the consensus of what and how everybody else thinks, no? Hindi naman sa hindi siya tama. It is right. It is right for you. Tama lang na harapin mo yung future mo. Tama lang na harapin mo yung dreams mo, yung goals mo with determination. Diba? And tama lang, it is right for you to be able to stay in this path. And more importantly, to help other people get on their path. So, if you decided to become an entrepreneur, if you decided to work for yourself, to work for your dreams, for your goals, for your family, for your contribution, I want to congratulate you. I am proud of you for taking charge of your life instead of leaving it to somebody else who don't care, who don't even care about your dreams, your goals, your aspirations in life. So, yun lang yung gusto ko i-share sa iyo ngayong umaga. Sana may nakuha kang idea, wisdom, inspiration. So, pwede kang mag-subscribe sa blogspot ko, christuyan.blogspot.com. And God bless you. May your dreams come true. And this is Christopher Tuyan, going in the same direction as you are.